confort de... Ouais, confort de... Elle aussi, je pense. Non, c'est ouais, donc. Assez pour comme ça. Attendez, juste les cheveux.
the name is pauseome. Pauseome APPART-HOTEL, and it costs 17 euro per night. 17 euro per night, and yeah, it's not that big, but it's enough for two, and it's enough for to sleep. And I'm going to clean. And it's clean. And I'm going to tour you around. So get in.
So, pagpasok niyo ng pinto, ito agad makikita nyo ang kanilang mini kitchen with 2 plugs, with coffee maker, and they also have this microwave oven na nagamit namin, and then other kitchen stuff. Actually, kompleto sila guys. Wala na kayong kakailanganin pa, but I'm not sure if magagamit namin siya. And then, you just need to follow the rules as always. Thank you for washing your dishes, and kailangan itapon yung basura bago umalis. Kung hindi, mabayad ka ng 25 euro. And then, after that, yan, kompleto sila for 2 person, dalawang mug, dalawang baso, Tagalog. And they also have this cute lamp na hindi ko mabuksan. And then, they also have sponge. Basta kompleto sila. Everything you'll need, andito na. And meron silang mini ref. Nilagay ko na yung water. And then, wait lang, hirap buksan. Paano ba to? So, we also have here water na pinifreeze namin. And then this thing, ice pack. So, dito naman tayo sa aming toilet. Pagpasok mo, inidoro agad. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. And then, sa kabilang side, ay itong sabitan ng towel na prepare ko na agad. This one tuyo, and then itong isa ay basa. Wala kaming sabitan dito, so tiis ganda. And then, meron pa kami dito ng dalawang towel, and then another one para sa paa, pamuna sa paa. And then here, guys, when nag-travel ako, gustong-gusto kong i-prepare yung mga gamit ko para madali ko siya makita. Kasi pag hindi ko nakikita, hindi ko siya nagagamit. So, ayan, dito lahat. And so, what do you want to see? This is my dry shampoo. Kasi hindi ako mahilig maligo ng buhok. Ay, magbasa ng buhok. And then, buy oil para sa aking puwet na inaamag na. Charot. And then, Velo, syempre. Velo Beauty tayo. And then, Alien Body Lotion. Sobrang bango nito. And then, I have here detoxifying mask. Garnier, panghilamos na mukha. And then, tonic. And then, this Nivea cream na Forever Love ko. And then, I have this one from Crimson, another body lotion, and then toothbrush and toothpaste. And then I have this mask, dinala ko lang siya, just in case. And then this lip scrub, na love ko, super worth it. And then this, I forgot where I bought it. And then my So In Love perfume from Philippines. I super love that perfume from French. And then yeah, here, sa husband ko, nako, ayaw niya ipaayos, so bahala siya sa life niya. And then yung mga makeup ko, nasa baba. And then my brush and charger ng aking Canon camera. Kompleto tayo dyan. Perfect. So, next guys, ito naman tayo sa salamin na to. Ganda, oh. Joke lang. So, here guys, table. Dito ko nilagay mga equipments like camera, microphone. I don't know why may dala akong microphone. Just in case, you know. Baka may kanta-kanta tayo session dyan. And then, ayan. Andito yung mga tripod ko and everything. My GoPro, dito ko nilagay. Nakaayos na siya lahat. Naka-set up na lahat para madali ko siyang makuha. And then here, hindi ko alam kung tawag dyan, basta para yan sa GoPro. So, nandito yung mga ticket namin. Yan yung gagawin ko this afternoon. Yan. And then, yung keycard. And then, yung lalagyan ng keycard. My laptop. And then, my notebook. Travel notebook ko lang ko yung kasama sa life ko. And then, my memory cards. Yung laptop ko nakaayos na din. And then, yung phone ng husband ko sa tabi na sinacharge niya. So, yan. My phone and lahat naka-prepare, guys. Mas gusto ko na prepare na lahat. Ayun. And then, here, yung mga bag na wala nang laman. Tinanggal ko na lahat. This one, my handbag, camera bag, ice pack bag. I don't know what you call that. And then, yeah, my big bag and another big bag. Ang dami kong bag. You know, girls problem. And then, ayun guys, I love preparing all. Kahit na hindi ko gagamitin, gusto ko nakalagay lang para alam ko yung mga susutin ko just in case. So, ayan, all prepared, shoes, underwears, nakalagay na lahat na parang closet ko talaga. And yan, dito yung mga pantulog, ang dami kong dala, mga medyas, underwear, bra, yung mga dress, mga shorts, and crop tops, and things like that. Dito yung mga, ano ba yan, bling-bling. And then, dito yung wallet ko, and yung another bag. My all-around wallet. All-around wallet? Yang aking pang-straight ng buhok sa kung saan. May salamin. And then, here, yung mga shoes ko, Converse, itong jogging shoes. Just in case lang, nasipag yung mag-jogging at magising na maaga. And then, itong mga sandals ko. And then, here, sa taas, nilagay ko ng mga dress. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung susutin ko dyan. Kaya, prepare ko na lahat kasi pabago-bago ako lagi ng decision. So, I prefer na ready lahat. So, that's all, guys. All is prepared. I'm ready to go. Party. And then here, my another bag. Oh my gosh, I have a lot of bag. This is a beach bag. Nagagamitin ko later. Magsiswimming kami sa Atlantic Ocean. Sobrang lamig dun, guys, but I love it. And then this Garnier. And then this water spray kasi sobrang init, pampa-hydrate. And then dito makikita nyo yung labas. Walang magandang view. So yan. And then here yung side table ko. Here my husband, I guess. Hello. So, ito guys, ito yung bed namin. Sobrang pagod itong lalaking to kasi siya yung nag-drive for like 7 hours. Siya lang yung nag-drive, so I'm proud of him talaga. And then, I'll show you yung kanyang side ng bed. Ito, nandito lahat nakasalpak yung mga gamit niya, sapatos. And, ayan, hindi siya nagpe-prepare kagaya ko. Lahat nandiyan sa bag niya and ilalabas niya lahat pag kailangan niya ng damit, tapos ibabalik niya uli. Medyo magulo. Sapatos niya nandito. Alam nyo, guys, wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Ayaw niya ipaayos. So, yeah. And here, yung kanyang pillow na dala-dala pa niya.
So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Broken heart. Oh, what the fuck? Oh no! Oh damn! Mahal-mahal ito siya may camera.